Welcome to Esparto Elementary School March Virtual Assembly for TK through 2nd grade. I'm Mrs. Van, your school principal. This month, we are celebrating the character trait of fairness, recognizing and respecting the opinions and practices of people different than ourselves. When conflict arises, learning to accept and forgive each other in order to promote equity and peace. Our first student of the month to recognize for fairness is Charles in Mrs. Rodriguez's class. In Mrs. Lockett's class, Daisley. And in Mrs. Lockett's class, Ernesto. In Mrs. Perez's class, Delaney. In Mr. Pataki's class, Antonio. In Mr. Pataki's class, Gilberto. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Vivian. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Damien. In Miss Robles' class, Emma. In Mrs. Robles' class, Zoe. In Miss Ringer's class, Aisha. In Mrs. Anderson's class, Anthony. In Mrs. Anderson's class, Esteban. In Mrs. Anderson's class, Itzel. In Miss Fallback's class, Julian. Miss Fallback's class, Oriana. Mrs. Scott's class, Yadira. Mrs. Calderon's class, Mark. Now let's see who's leveled up in Lexia. These students have passed a level in Lexia since our last assembly. Mrs. Lockett's TK class, Virginia and Roberto and Diego has passed 2 levels. Way to go, boys and girls! In Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class, Davina, Anthony, Analasia, and Delaney. Nice work. In Mr. Pataki's class, Gilberto, Lautaro, Antonio, Hunter, Reyes, and Sarah. I'm proud of you all. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Scarlett, Samantha, Shane, Miles, Isabella, Emmy, and Emily. Nice work. In 1st grade, Mrs. Robles' class, Kylie, Gerardo, Jonathan, Emma, Damien, Mario, Leandro, and Hunter. Excellent job. In Miss Ringer's 1st grade class, Aisha, Chloe, Junior, Xander, Daniel, Mateo, and Aaliyah. Keep up the excellent work. In Miss Anderson's class, Itzel, Juliana, Esteban, Coraline, Linda, Victoria, Liam, Imari, and Kelleher. Excellent work. In Miss Fallback's 2nd grade class, Daniel, Madison, Natalie, Taya, and Yvette. Nice job. In Mrs. Scott's class, Eileen, Doe, Jacob, Eloy, Jose, and Selena. Good work. In Mrs. Calderon's class, Ava and George. Nice work. Let's see who's blooming in math. These students have all shown perseverance and success in math over the last month. In Mrs. Lockett's TK class, Ernesto, Barrett, Brian, McCoy, Michael, Genevieve, and Diego. Mrs. Perez's class, LaShawn, Andre, Shane, Joshua, Owen, Anthony, Jimena, Sebastian, and Valentina. In Mr. Pataki's class, Elissa, Hunter, Nicole, Sarah, Antonio, Emily, Gilberto, and Corbin. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Ramiro. In Mrs. Robles' class, Vanessa, Kylie, Leandro, and Damien. In Miss Ringer's class, Mateo, Aaliyah, Chloe, Xander, Junior, Tara, Ava, and Connor. In Mrs. Anderson's class, Juliana, Mateo, Luis, Coraline, Angel, Linda, Isaac, Victoria, Liam, Anthony, Easton, and Edwin. In Miss Fallback's class, Max, Melissa, Sophia, Taya, and Yvette. In Mrs. Scott's class, Samantha, Cash, Pedro, and Eloy. In Mrs. Calderon's class, Mark, Alex, and Peyton. I'd like to congratulate all of our students for celebrating our character trait of fairness this month and for their perseverance with Lexia and in mathematics. Have a wonderful month.